There's just been so many amazing moments and so many light bulbs going off during this seminar.
So I'm so happy that I can invite Dr. Michael Chung to come here to Melbourne to teach us Tung acupuncture workshop, human level today.
We're here to do the special workshop for Tungs acupuncture, which is Dr. Wei-Chieh Young's style of Tungs acupuncture.
I'd say the entire Tung system that we've been taught this course has completely changed my outlook on clinical approach.
I'm a doctor and specialist in acupuncture, and I found it very helpful and many points that I haven't learned before, and I kind of think it's going to work at my practice and help many people for that.
What's really been a standout for me in this seminar is the needling techniques and understanding exactly how to needle the points that we've been taught.
And that's probably the biggest thing, is that I feel more confident with my needling and knowing that I'm getting the maximum effect for each point, as opposed to, I guess, before trying them out, not getting such good results or being more painful.
And I feel like learning in person and actually getting the needling experience and getting somebody to check and to actually be there and to see it in person is far superior.
My role is a TA for the Tungs acupuncture workshop. So far I've been teaching the students on point location and point indication, instructing them on tips and specifics on how they can better use Tungs acupuncture in their practice.
The biggest thing is probably being precise with needle location and needling. Really makes the difference between getting an average result and a really good result.
Getting more hands-on help to make sure that you're getting the maximum effect, as opposed to just being near the points but not getting as much bang for your buck.
I previously have used Tung points, but I've just discovered that I've been needling them all wrong. But we've been doing lots of hands-on practice, getting lots of tips and just like real little nuances on needling and location.
What you particularly learn in school, this is a whole nother level altogether. So it's a complete add-on.
Well, I just can't wait to use the points in clinic from next week. So from next week, everybody's gonna get Tung acupuncture points.
Anyone who wants to be a better acupuncturist, whoever are curious about what else can you learn from acupuncture or what else can you do to your patients by acupuncture, are encouraged to come to this workshop. It's helping you to discover a different corner of the acupuncture world.
It's so important to understand the principles behind how acupuncture works. If you'd like to go deeper and be more advanced in your acupuncture, use less needles, etc., this is the style that is very, very useful.
And hopefully more acupuncturists can come to learn Tung acupuncture, so we can really elevate this profession by helping more people getting good clinical results.